We now go to Barangay Ugong, where authorities are inspecting the gutted factory. Rex Remigio is there. He reports to us now. Rex.
Yes, Pia, the police are now guarding the gutted factory. Officials from the Bureau of Fire Protection are inspecting or sketching the interior of the factory. Basically, this will determine where the explosion occurred, where the workers ran to for their safety, and where they were trapped and eventually died due to suffocation. This information will also be important in revealing the shortcomings of the owner, such as if the building had fire exits and had safe passageways. After their investigation, an interagency task force will do an inspection inside, gather pieces of evidence, and find out what caused the tragedy. So far, only the police, the media, and a few bystanders are here outside the factory. The situation here seems to be calm, far from the tragic scene that we saw when the fire swept through this Slippers factory. Meanwhile, just to add, it has been confirmed that the chief and fire marshal of Valenzuela City Bureau of Fire Protection has just been temporarily relieved from their post. Fire Director Chief Superintendent Ariel Barayuga of the Bureau of Fire Protection confirms the relief is took way to the interagency investigation. Officers in charge were already installed to take on their post. Meanwhile, the Department of Labor and Employment has also started its own investigation into the incident. Senior labor officials arrived here to invite the owner of the factory, Ong King Guan, for a conference on Monday morning. Although they declined to disclose the details of the conference and on whether it will be open to the media. Pia.
Thank you, Rex Remigio, reporting from Barangay Ugong in Valenzuela.